Welcome back to Trina's Motivation. Today guys, I'm going to take you on the journey how I prepare this amazing rice and peas. Let me tell you something, this is just perfect. So what you need is your beans, or you could actually get the one that is already cooked in the tin, or you can go ahead and cook. For me, I went ahead and cooked mine. Your beans, there it is. And I added my coconut milk, so you can use your authentic coconut. You know, that is the best. You can use powder or you can use the tin coconut juice. So whatever you prefer, whatever you have, you go right ahead and use it. I also added some butter. You know, we love with butter in there because it gives it an extra kick, an extra flavor. I added some scallion and thyme. If you notice my thyme, for me, I cut my thymes in smaller pieces. So you see, when this rice and peas done, you shouldn't be seeing any of all of this, and of course our thyme as well. Ensure to put in salt to taste. Once this is nicely done, so we're gonna allow the coconut juice to cook down, right? And we're going to try to do it the MTC style. So we're gonna wait and cook it down nicely. Then we're gonna return, and what we're gonna add is our rice. So rice and peas are gonna turn up today. So you see the start bubble. Another thing I should mention, remember your pepper. So some of you love your pepper. The flavor of the pepper give it an extra kick. I'm sorry I didn't have any. I don't have any pepper, and for the most part I don't really cook with the pepper. But if you have pepper, throw in some pepper, and then you can add your rice. So in the next clip you will see us adding our rice. So we're about to put our rice in. Let's see. All right, so you see that guys, it's gone all the way down. So we're going to add our rice to this pot. So this is our rice. It's washed. I'm going to put it into a pot. Once you have done this, you want to stir everything together nicely. Remember to always taste, make sure, and nothing is wrong if you use spoon in it. You have to know when to use spoon, right? If in case seemed like it had too much water, what you would do, spoon out some, put it into a container, don't throw it away, just in case you might need a little bit more later on. But this seems like it's enough. Let me show you, give me a close-up. So there, see the rice right here. So I know, let me see, right there. So I know I have enough water. I don't have a lot of water. It's just enough for this. We're going to leave it. We're going to cover it back and allow it to cook. Ready. Let's see. You see what's happening there? All the water is now down. There it is. Woohoo! So what you can do, you can add a little foil paper, allow it to steam down, or some more, because you notice a little bit of water still seems to be in it, right? And we want it to be nice and shelly. We're gonna use our foil paper. We're gonna cover it. And if you don't have any foil paper, you can just turn the stove down extremely low and you get the same effect. So the next clip, you will see the final product. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh my word. This is the perfect rice and peas. It's our good up rice and peas. See it here? See it there? See it there? Perfect. So thank you so much for watching. And if you want something different from rice and bean, you will want to subscribe, because there we have our curried rice. We will be dropping that video very soon. You don't want to miss out. Ensure you hit that like button and share with somebody who was want to try something different. I see you in the next one. Bye.